Last time we fixed the sound. This time, let's fix the lighting. So here we have the cheapest of the options. This is natural daylight. It's a very bright sunny day outside and it's very warm out there too. The positives are it's free. Negatives are there's quite a lot of difference between the sides of my face because of where the light's coming from. Also, when the night time comes or it's a cloudy day, it's not so good for lighting. For example, this is cloudy. Exactly the same camera settings, exactly the same part of the day. The sun just disappeared. So now that I've changed the camera settings, it's much better. But to keep going, switching camera settings all the time, it's quite a horrible process to have to do. So let's check out the next option. But this is a working light on the floor, bouncing off the wall behind the camera and off the ceiling as well. If this episode had started like this, you wouldn't have noticed the jarring colour change. But you have, and that's not a problem. Which reminds me, white balance. There we go, that should be a little bit better. What you'll still notice is some colour changes across the top of my head, and some of the colours aren't all that natural. But overall, not a bad option. And this is cheap studio lighting. I say cheap because there's no control and they're reasonably small. So either side of the camera I have 125 watts of compact fluorescent lighting, inside 50 by 70 centimetres, soft boxes which are on light stands. There's no moving around in here. And also with 250 watts of anything, there's quite a lot of heat. So, which option am I going to go with? Well, not really sure yet. I'm not keen on the post-processing, but I'm also really not keen on the space if I have to move around. So that means no unboxings. Actually, that could be a positive. I'll mix it up over the coming weeks, see how we go. As always, comments below are always welcome. Don't forget to thumb up if you've enjoyed it, and thumbs down if not, and let me know why in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and tell everyone you know to subscribe as well. I really need those numbers. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.